some of you DM me regarding ingrown hairs and bumps if you were to thread. How I would fix that is that I would exfoliate the day before. All right, and then the next day I'll grab my thread and then remove the hairs. And then I would, right after my treatment, I'll put a ice cube on it just to close all the pores and prevent all those little bumps close up. And then I would also apply witch hazel toner, which will hopefully help with those ingrown hairs and bumps. But let me know if you want any more tips or if you have any questions.